As electric vehicles, EVs, gain popularity, the demand for reliable, efficient, and affordable chargers has risen. In 2025, several brands offer diverse models, catering to homeowners and businesses. This video explores top-rated EV chargers, focusing on features, performance, and value. 1. Tesla Wall Connector. The Tesla Wall Connector is a Level 2 electric vehicle EV charger, designed to deliver up to 48A for fast charging. With a 24-foot cable, it offers ample length to easily reach your EV. This charger supports 240 V output voltage, making it suitable for residential installations. The compact design, 4.3 DX6.1 WX13.6H, ensures it fits comfortably in your garage or parking area. Weighing 11.4 pounds, it's relatively lightweight for easy handling during installation. The Tesla Wall Connector is known for its reliability, smart features, and ability to charge your Tesla or other compatible EVs quickly, ensuring you're always ready to hit the road. 2. ChargePoint Home Flex. The ChargePoint Home Flex Level 2 EV Charger J 1772 is a sleek and efficient electric vehicle charger designed to provide fast charging for your EV. With a black finish, it offers a modern look and can be installed using a NEMA 14 50 outlet. Weighing 13.8 pounds, it is compact yet durable, making it suitable for home use. The charger delivers an output voltage of 240 volts, 2.4 E+2V, ensuring fast and reliable charging for compatible electric vehicles. It offers adjustable amperage, allowing for flexibility depending on your vehicle's requirements and your home's electrical setup, making it an ideal choice for convenient home charging. 3. Autel MaxiCharger Level 2. The Autel MaxiCharger Level 2 EV charger offers fast and efficient charging for electric vehicles with a 40-amp, 240V power output. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it provides a reliable and durable charging station with a flexible 25-foot cable for easy reach. The charger features a NEMA 14 50 plug, ensuring compatibility with most electric vehicles. With its sleek white design, it is built to withstand various weather conditions while delivering rapid charging times. Ideal for home or business use, the Autel MaxiCharger is a smart and convenient solution for EV owners seeking a reliable and high-performance charging option. 4. Grizzl-E Duo Level 2 EV Charger. The Grizzl-E Duo Level 2 plug-in EV charger is a high-performance charging solution for electric vehicle owners. Capable of delivering up to 40 amps of power, it ensures fast and efficient charging. The charger comes with two 24-foot premium cables, offering flexibility and convenience for reaching different charging locations. It features a 14-by 50 plug for easy installation and compatibility with most electrical systems. Built with durability in mind, the Grizzl-E Duo is weather-resistant, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This charger supports simultaneous charging of two EVs, minimizing downtime. 5. Wallbox Pulsar Plus. The Pulsar Plus 48 AMP 11.5 kilowatts EV Level 2 Smart Charger Wallbox is a high-performance electric vehicle charger designed for home use. It features Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing easy integration with smart home systems. The charger is compatible with electric vehicles using Type 1 SAEJ 1772 connectors, such as the Chevrolet Volt, Nissan Leaf first generation, and BMW 3 first generation. Its 48 AMP power output ensures efficient charging, providing faster charge times for compatible EVs. The compact and durable design makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor installations, offering a reliable solution for everyday EV charging needs. 6. Emporia Level 2 EV Charger. The Emporia Level 2 EV Charger, NEMA 14 50, is a 48-amp, 240V electric vehicle charging station, compatible with Tesla vehicles via NACS. This UL-listed and Energy Star-certified charger ensures efficient and reliable performance. With a 24-foot charging cable, it offers flexibility for home use. Designed for ease of installation, it features a sleek white finish, adding a modern touch to your space. The charger offers fast, convenient, energy-efficient EV charging, perfect for any household or garage. 7. Bluetti DC Plus EV Charger. The Bluetti 560W alternator charger is a fast DC-DC charger designed for portable power stations. It's 6x faster than traditional cigarette chargers, ensuring quicker charging for your solar generator. This charger is compatible with 95% of solar generators, making it a versatile choice for road trips and RVing. Its high power output allows for efficient charging, even in remote locations, keeping your devices powered up when you need them most. Whether you're on the road or in the great outdoors, the Bluetti alternator charger provides a reliable solution to keep your energy needs covered. In conclusion, the EV charger market in 2025 offers a diverse range of options for every EV owner. With leading models providing speed, reliability, and smart features, the industry will keep evolving to meet the growing demand for efficient charging solutions. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Your support matters. Thank you.